Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blur your video background in Capcut. So first of all, you just have to open the Capcut application and then tap on this plus icon. And now you have to choose your video, like on which video you want to blur your background. So in my case, I'm going for this one. Tap on this add and now you can just trim the video and you can delete the extra part of the video like this, and then just go for this effect and go for this video effect, and then you have to find the blur effect and just tap on this effect, and as you can see our effect is added on the timeline. You can set the duration of your effect and then just export your video, and after exporting just tap on this plus icon and import the same video you just exported, and now just tap on this overlay and tap on this add overlay, and you have to import the video without the effect we just created in CapCut. Tap on this add and now select the second video, and if you scroll down to the left you will find this option cutout. Just tap on this cutout and tap on this remove background, and as you can see it's processing. So after processing your video will be ready, and now if you play your video your background will be blurred successfully. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.